Hi, one of the goals to achieve competitive advantages over other competitors is to satisfy your customers. In order to satisfy your customers, you have to meet their needs and their demand. In production environment, what we do, we create production plan in order to know when we have to start and how many units we have to produce and when we have to deliver it. The next level of production plan is the master production schedule. So the two plans are connected to each other, and it does connect the master production schedule. It does connect production plan with the actual production. So how we could connect the master production schedule with the production plan? Let's take a look into this example, and I'll show you how we could connect them with each other. Okay, we have this company worldwide. Can Openers Inc. makes a family of 2 brand-operated can openers. The production plan is based on months. There are 4 weeks in this month. Opening inventory is 2,000 dozen, and it is planned to increase that to 4,000 dozen by the end of the month. The master production schedule is made using weekly periods. The forecast and projected available balance for the 2 models follow. The lot size for both models is 1,000 dozen. Calculate production plan and the MPS for each item. Very good. So here's the production plan. This is the first table right here. Master production schedule for model A is the second table. Master production schedule for model B is the third table. In each of these models has a 1,000 lot size, so we can produce 1,000 dozen at a time. We can't produce 1,500 dozen, for example. It has to be the multiplied of the 1,000. Okay, one important information that has been provided here, they are interested in increasing the inventory from 2,000 to 2,000, from 2,000 to 4,000. Okay, so the first step, what we need to do, we have the forecast. We found the total to be 14,000, but this 14,000 has to be increased by 2,000 in order to increase the inventory by 2,000. So what we have to do, we have to say 14,000 plus 2,000, that would be 16,000. And divide that by 4 weeks, because we have 4 weeks in this month. So that would give you a 4,000 every week that we have to produce in order to meet the demand. So we're going to put 4,000 in week 1, 4,000 in week 2, 4,000 in week 3, and 4,000 in week 4. Now let's calculate the projected available balance or the inventory. So we have 2,000 in here available, plus 4,000, that would give us 6,000 total available. We're going to send 3,000 to the customer. 6,000 minus 3,000, that would be 3,000. Okay, 3,000 plus 4,000, that would be 7,000 available. Send 3,500 of these, that would be, gonna use Excel, would be easier, minus the 3,500, that would leave it with 3,500 at the end of the period of week 2. Next, projected available balance, previous projected available balance plus the production plan, what we are planning to do, subtract the customer demand, that would give you 4,000 units for gonna be available at the end of week 3. And then we need 4,000 to send to the customer. We have 8,000 available, that would leave you with 4,000, or you could do projected available balance plus the production plan, subtract the forecast sales, that would give you 4,000. In this way, we have an ending inventory of 4,000. So by the end of week 4, we have an ending inventory of 4,000, and this has achieved the first goal, which is increasing inventory from 2,000 to 4,000. Yeah. Now, what we're gonna do, we're gonna link the production plan with the production schedule, with a master production schedule for model A and model B. Okay. Let's start with the first one. So for the 4,000, here's the production plan right here. This is what we are planning to do. This 4,000 has to be divided between model A and model B. So 4,000 can be applied for both of them, and but we have to use them. So the 4,000 could be divided between model A and model B, or could be this 4,000 can be gone to model A, or could be gone for model B. Let's take a look and see how we could do it. Okay, let's start with the 2,000 forecast sales. This is not enough to satisfy the demand, the projected available balance of 1,500. So what we need to do, we need to issue an MPS of how many do you think we need? Do we need 4,000? Do we need 2,000? Do we need 1,000? How many MPS? But we have to divide the 4,000 in between them. We have to use them all. Okay, let's take a look into, before we decide, we have to go to model B. Okay, we need 1,000 in here, and what's available here is 500. Okay, so definitely we need some in here and some in here. So what it is recommended is to issue an MPS of 2,000 on model A and 2,000 at model B. This would be fair for both products. So that would leave you with a projected available balance of 1,500, and that would leave you with a projected balance of 500 plus the 2,000 minus the 1,000. That would leave you with 1,500 projected available balance. Okay, cool. Now let's move on to the week 2. Week 2, what we have to do, we have to match the demand with the projected available balance. If it's not enough, then we have to issue an MPS. 1,500 is not enough to satisfy the demand for week 2. What we have to do, we have to issue an MPS, but we don't know exactly how many we need. Do we have to do 2,000 or 3,000 or 4,000? Well, definitely we have to use all the 4,000, but let's take a look into here and see if we need anything here. Okay, 1,500 is the projected available balance. The 1,500 is what we need, so there is no need to issue an MPS here. So we give the 4,000 for week 2 model A. Okay, that would leave you with 3,500 projected available balance at the end of week 2. Projected available balance for model B would be 0. Okay, let's double check here. 5,500 minus 2,000, that would be 3,500. Very good. Do we need MPS for week 3 for model A? No, we don't, because we have enough already. 3,500. We send 2,500 for the customer. That would leave you with 1,000 projected available balance at the end of week 3. Now, how about here in week 3 model B? Definitely we need all of them. So even we don't need all of them, but you planned for 4,000, you have to give 4,000. We did not use them here in model A, so what we need to do, we need to use them on model B for week 3. We have 4,000. You send 1,000 to the customer as a forecast sales. That would leave you with a 3,000 projected available balance at the end of the week. Right here, what we have to do, we said we don't need anything. Right here in the week 4, alright, so we need 2,000. We have 1,000 available. This is not enough to satisfy the demand. What we have to do, we have to issue an MPS of 4,000, because if you look here in model B, we have 3,000, and that would be enough to satisfy the demand for week 4. So if we issue a 4,000 here MPS, that would give you 5,000 available. Send 2,000 for the customer. That would leave you with a 3,000 dozens available at the end of period 4 or week 4. Right here we have 3,000, send 2,000 for the customer. That would leave you with 1,000 dozens available at the week 4. So this is an idea on how you could create a production plan, and how you could create a master production schedule, and how you could connect both plans together in order to develop a schedule for each model. We're now talking about individual products, not a family product as we did for production plan. All right, thank you very much. If you have any question, please send me an email.